TI-25, the Big Bud tractor stands as a monument of agricultural engineering, a machine so immense that it commands attention the moment it rolls into view. Today, we are going to dive deep into the Big Bud, exploring every aspect of this legendary beast that has long been synonymous with raw power, size, and durability. As we begin, picture the setting: a modern, well-lit showroom where the sheer scale of the tractor is accentuated by polished floors reflecting its towering presence, with subtle overhead lights emphasizing the contours of its massive frame. The Big Bud is not just a tractor, it is a statement, a machine that has redefined what large-scale farming equipment can be. As we approach, the first thing that strikes you is its monumental size. The Big Bud is not merely big, it is gargantuan, with a chassis that stretches across 27 feet and a height that challenges most structures around it. Its enormous tires, almost taller than an average person, are designed for both traction and stability, each one a masterpiece of engineering in itself. The paintwork gleams under the showroom lights, a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics, signaling both durability and prestige. These tires, paired with its massive axles and reinforced suspension, ensure that the tractor is capable of handling the most demanding terrains without compromising control or safety. Moving closer, the engine compartment comes into focus. The Big Bud houses a monstrous V16 diesel engine capable of producing over 1,000 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful tractors ever built. This engine is not just about raw output. It embodies engineering precision with its meticulously designed cooling systems, turbochargers, and fuel injection mechanisms, ensuring that the tractor performs optimally under heavy loads. The roar of the engine, even in a static display, hints at the incredible force lying dormant beneath the hood, ready to be unleashed across vast farmlands. The cab of the Big Bud is a sanctuary of control and comfort. Inside, the driver is greeted with ergonomically designed seats, a sophisticated control panel, and a panoramic view that makes maneuvering this colossal machine surprisingly intuitive. Every lever, button, and display is placed with careful consideration, allowing the operator to command immense power without overwhelming complexity. The cab is also insulated to minimize engine noise, and climate controls ensure comfort during long hours in the field. In 2025, even the legacy Big Bud has been upgraded with modern connectivity, GPS-assisted navigation, and digital performance monitoring, bridging the gap between classic brute force and contemporary smart farming technologies. Examining the rear, the hitch system and PTO, power takeoff, illustrate its versatility. Big Bud is not a single-purpose tractor. It can handle a wide array of agricultural implements, from massive plows to multi-section seeders, demonstrating both strength and adaptability. The hydraulics are heavy-duty and responsive, allowing for precise control even when lifting or towing enormous loads. This is a machine designed not just for size, but for efficiency, capable of performing tasks that smaller tractors can only dream of achieving in multiple passes. As we step back to take in the full profile of the Big Bud, its proportions are nothing short of awe-inspiring. The combination of massive tires, a robust frame, and a towering cab creates a visual impression of power and resilience. The design balances functionality with a certain industrial elegance, emphasizing that this tractor is built for performance first, but can also command admiration for its engineering artistry. Even the lighting in the showroom seems to celebrate its presence, casting highlights and shadows that emphasize the curves and angles of this monumental vehicle. In terms of maintenance, the Big Bud reflects thoughtful engineering. Access panels are strategically placed, and components are designed for durability and ease of service. This is essential for a machine of its size, ensuring that operators and technicians can perform routine checks and repairs